What's going on, world? ANZD here with you, and in this video I'm about to shoot a quick video, it might not be too quick, of some different ways of how we can increase our income and develop different streams of income, because right now we got inflation and things going on. So we got to figure out how we can offset this inflation by creating multiple streams of income, coming up with different sources of income, as well as being able to create passive income. So one way that I want to talk about how we can increase our income is this one real quick. All right, y'all, so let's talk about it. So the first one real quick is going to be typing jobs. So right now you're trying to look for some ways to get some income to make money per hour from these work from home jobs, right? So the first one will be some typing jobs. So the way you can go about this is by typing out words, and you can go through websites such as, you can go to rev.com. Rev.com is a good place where you can go out to find where you can get typing jobs. And rev.com, you're basically doing like subtitles, transcription, you're transcribing like videos, audios, and you're typing them into Word format. You know, you get the audio, get the video files, and you're gonna type them out into what's being said exactly into words and print. So you're gonna be able to get paid weekly. In addition to you're gonna get paid by the minutes that you're subscribing. So they basically track the amount of minutes that you're subscribing, that you're transcribing. Sound like I'm saying subscribing, that you're transcribing, and how many minutes it takes and how many words you do. And then you can get paid. Some projects pay about $10. It's based on how many you can do and how many videos and audio files you get. So another way that you can do is if you learn, or if you know another language, if you're real good at a language. So if you speak another language real good, if you're really good at another language, the way that you can get paid off of is by speaking language. Teach others how to speak the language. You have to create any documents or any kind of educational package, any kind of education package. What you're basically going to be doing is teaching people the language you know. You don't create anything. All you have to have is a Wi-Fi connection, also a camera, as well as a good mic. And they pay about $15 for each class section. And each class session lasts about a half hour. The website you're going to check out is Preply. Check out Preply. Preply. That's the one you're going to check out for that. So if you know another language and you're real good at another language, that's one way that you can get paid. Go to Preply, create a portfolio, get paid through there, alright, so I got another one for y'all, alright? This one, with all the AI technology going on, is going to be helping out AI. This one, a lot of companies creating AI technology, but they need some human touch to it. So you can go to ClickWorker. In ClickWorker, you'll be able to get your information on, and you'll be able to help out AI by creating different things, like making sure pictures is right and things, checking out the graphics, making sure graphics is good. ClickWorker is another way that you can earn some extra money, but I got some more ways for y'all. Hold on. Right, y'all, so another good one to do is called user testing. Now, user testing, what you're going to be doing is helping out people with their websites, their projects that they're going to do. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to log on, you're going to create a portfolio with user testing. And then with user testing, they're going to want you to get on the websites, check out websites, making sure that websites is making sure that it's operating right. You can be some websites like Google, Amazon, some of the big websites that's coming up. So basically you're going to create like I said, you're going to create a profile on user testing. User testing, you're going to have you check out a website and make sure you know what you're doing. They're going to kind of train you. And after that, you'll be able to get some projects. And I think projects on user testing pay between $10 to $20. And most of the time, most of the projects last about a half hour. So that's one way that you can get paid. Also, get some extra cash from home is doing user testing. Next up on the list for making money per hour from home with these websites, these work from home jobs, is we have online job boards. So online job boards are things such as Upworker, Fiverr, and these pay people a good amount of money, because sometimes you have people out there, you have business that needs to get things done. You have people that needs to get things such as social media manager, customer service, virtual assistant, graphics designer, video editors, wide variety, appointment setters, email checkers, a wide variety of things. So you basically go to one of these websites. You got Upworker or Fiverr. You can go to Upworker, create a profile, and on these profiles, now once you have a profile, people will be listing jobs that's needed, or you can also list jobs or tasks that you can do, and people will go ahead, see how much you're offering, and you'll be able to make money. So a lot of people on the average saying they make about $30 an hour using these services, using these platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr, and those are just two of the online job boards that's out there. They have other ones that you can go ahead and search, or forums that you can go ahead and search to make some more money online, to make money per hour from home using these jobs. All right, got some more for you. Next up, we got content writer. So you can be a content writer. Basically, a content writer, you're writing scripts, blogs, video scripts, audio, and being a content writer, you can even use AI such as ChatGPT to help you out with some of the writings, some of the writing process, in addition to other AI. And you can also put your little flavor to it to make it seem more personalized. Now, a lot of these services for content writing usually go about $20 an hour, $20, $25, $30 an hour. So that's another way you can make money from home online using some of these jobs right here. I got one more for you, so stay tuned. So last on the list for make money per hour from these work from home jobs is being a YouTube channel manager. Now you can be a YouTube channel manager for other people, other brands, or other companies, setting up brands and setting up people YouTube channels and managing their YouTube channel. Or you can go ahead and create your own brand and also manage your YouTube channel. Now it could be faceless or it could be face, and you can be able to create faceless channels by using YouTube automation such as ChatGPT, such as vidIQ. You can also check out vidIQ. It's a lot of ways out there. I'm gonna do a video on those also, so stay tuned. Once again, I hope you got some value from this. Make money per hour from these work from home jobs. Talk to you later. Peace.